Hello friends, in this video we will explore the interface, the dashboard of GIMP software. As you know, we have installed it and I have opened this. So the first thing that we can do, we can go to the Windows section and you can see on the top you can see the name like GNU image manipulation program GIMP. Then we have menu bar. Here you can see there are different options: file, edit, select, view, image, layer, colors, tools, filters, windows, help. Definitely we will discuss them one by one. There are more sub items, sub options, so definitely in future, in upcoming videos, we will discuss about them one by one. So in the Windows section, we can go to the window and single window mode. If we check this option, if uncheck, so you can see now on the right side we have docs and the left side docs, and the window is one single. So single window mode, now we can enable it. So if we disable it, so you can see there are three different windows. So the first thing in the dashboard, in the interface, you can do this. Second, we have on the top left side we have tools. If I click on the move tool, so you can see on the bottom left side options are changing. If I click on crop tool, you can see the options has been changed. So options will change as per the tool, according to the tool. If I select this tool, text tool, so you can see the options has been changed. So these are the options on the top left side. These are tools, and you can also see foreground and background color just below the tools. There are different docs on the right side. You can see there are group of docs. So the first is brushes, and second you can see patterns. If I click on patterns, the third you can see fonts, and here you can see the document history, and here you can see layers, channels, paths. So three docs we have, and if you want to rearrange them, so you can rearrange them also like this. Now you can see layers on the right side. So if I move here, you can see it will move here. We can also add more tabs. Here you can see on the top right side this icon, add tab. So if you want to add more like buffers, for instance, so you can see this is here. If I go to add tab and see, if I select this, see palette, so now I can also see this one. So we can add more tabs here. We can rearrange these tabs, we can add more tabs. So we can see a different bunch of tabs here. If I create a new document, for example, and now when we are working, you can press escape key with tab, escape key and tab. So these docs on the right and left side, everything will be hide. Again you can press tab, only tab, so they will reappear. Okay, if you want to reset saved Windows position to the default values, you can go to edit and then preferences, and here you can see system resources, color management, a lot of other options. We will go to the window management and reset saved window position to the default values. Okay, and then okay, so it will be default, like everything will be the window position will be reset. So in this video, I hope you have learned a lot about the GIMP interface. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends, so they can also learn new things and they can increase their professional skills. Thank you so much once again.